Hi guys, my name is Maggie. Thank you for being guests at our home, and I'm going to show you how to install the volleyball or pickleball net. So, first you're going to grab the side that doesn't have the orange string. You're going to take it over here. And you're going to take the part with the white and clip this on top. Super simple and just really easy. You're going to grab the bottom part, and clip it on the bottom. So it's secure, and we got that. Next, I'm going to pull this, make sure that it's straight. And we're going to grab this black rope. Then you will connect this and this right here. So you're gonna pull as tight as you can, and you might need a parent to help you with this, but you're just gonna pull it as tight as you can. And you're gonna grab the bottom, the orange string, and you're gonna clip that to the bottom. Then you're just gonna pull as tight as you can. And then you're done. Now you have a volleyball, pickleball net to play in our gym.